So your first deal, typically you'll be limited on funds, if not have no funds, means no money to be able to invest in something, whether it's just to buy the mobile home or buy the mobile home to keep it, rehab it, put it on the market as a rental, rent to own, whatever. All that takes money. And you hear this concept about it takes money to make money, and that's not necessarily true. Now, I can't speak for every business, but I can speak for mobile home investing. And it's like, it's a tier level of, I call it graduating from one grade to another, the same you would do in school. So it's like when you start that way, say, I'm coming into this niche, this industry, mobile home investing, and I have zero. Matter of fact, I got negative balance in my bank account. So therefore, how can I get into this industry, invest with no money and make a profit out of it? Almost sounds crazy, but you can. So what happens is, when you have no money, you have time. When you have time, you have money. It kind of goes, one way or the other. And what happens is, if I come in here, I have no money, then I have to have time. You got to come up with it somehow. So therefore, I can be a connector, I can be a bird dog, I can be a wholesaler. All those strategies makes me money without having no money. And the way I would start that is, never mind a wholesaler. I'm going to put that as level 2. Level 1, I'm going to be a connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer a service to somebody like a park manager, park owner that they need. And it's always about the problem solving. Remember, the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the payday you will get. A park owner has no time to go out and look for used inventory for his vacant pads, meaning he doesn't have time to go shopping for mobile homes that are affordable for the pads that are in his park that really are costing him money. And when you translate that and let them know that, it's like, hey, I'm a mobile home investor. I realize you have 5 vacant pads. Your lot rent, from my understanding, it's $500 per pad every month. You add that up, here's the revenue you're losing. So you're making yourself now desirable by letting them know, here's what you're losing and here's how I can fix the problem. I can go out and find you inventory, late 80s, 90s, early 2000 model mobile homes, single wise, double wise, 3, 2 bedroom size, whatever it may be. We can find them for you and we can get them at a great deal. And then it's all about branding, marketing, advertising, but that's another step. Right now, so what you're trying to do is create that solution for them so that you're in the door. You got that foot in the door. And what's going to happen is, when you do find a 1995 3.2 Fleetwood single wide 14 by 70, somebody selling it for $5,000. In that market, because you got to know your numbers, you can get $10,000, $11,000, maybe even $12,000 for it. So you go back to the park owner and say, hey, I found you one 3.2 Fleetwood 14 by 70. They are asking, it's on the market going for around 12, maybe 13,000 max. Right now, I can get you this deal for $8,500. See, this is the part also where you don't want to be greedy. Okay, pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Remember that. Don't be greedy. So yes, I can get $12K for it, but because I'm got my foot in the door and I want to grow this, I am going to give them a heck of a deal. So even though $5K is what the original seller is asking, I am telling them $8,500. That's a $3,500 markup. And guess who gets the $3,500? Me. So that's how you start making profits without having any money, is you're the connector. And it works similar with wholesale. But I say wholesale level 2 because a lot of times when you're wholesaling, even though you're only locking up a mobile home with an agreement, there is a deposit required. And again, we're talking you have zero here. If you have $1,000, $2,000 that you can use as a holding deposit, well, then you're fine. Jump at it. But my way is always, why use any money if you don't have to? You can get in the game with no money.